Guys, I stopped recording it and it just like let off. So we're gonna go exploring now. So in this nature trail right here. So let's go. Right, guys. Tie your shoelace.
Let's stop our bikes over there.
Yo, guys. Alright. We're putting our bikes down. And we're going to record over here. What is that yellow thing? Looks like a little ping pong ball. What is it? I don't know.
Freaking creepy.
Oh, that's so creepy.
So I don't
Junk.
know what this is for.
It's for us to look out. It used to be way different. How is there ice? Guys, tell me. It's like 60 degrees out here and like there's still... What is this? This can't be possible. Me?
Yeah. I don't want to be about too much.
Yeah, I don't think I want to walk down there, guys. So we're gonna go explore down that way. So here we go. I feel like there's gonna be this giant bird that's gonna come and attack us, yo. Like last time there was a giant heron hiding behind that log right. And my mom got scared that she held me and she just like held me tight. And she was like, ah! And she was scared. Yeah, it was hiding like right here, eating some fish. Yo, look at this creek.
What's a heron?
A ginormous bird. Let's go left, because that's just a hill. That's just a hill up there. It's creepy. Yo, what was that? Yo, how? There's ice down here, guys. How? Oh, it's a barcode. What is this? Serious barcode, yo. We got a clue. Yo, get an app on your phone that scans barcodes.
Yeah, I am.
Let me scan it.
Yo, I ain't put my shoelaces back.
Really? What is this? Another clue. It's a beer. It's a soda can bottom. But we're not gonna pick that up because that's just nasty. Got some onion grass. Literally. And yeah, we got this nice creek. And
Yo, what are you talking about shoes? I don't even feel like I feel like putting this 50 subscribers special.
right, he's doing a 50 subscriber special.
Yo, guys,
and I'm doing an 11.
if I get a lot of
special
views in this video soon, I'm gonna come back, but this time I'm gonna do a night. With Jonathan, you're coming with me, even if you don't.
Oh!
Shoot, what the freak was that? Yo.
Yo, no.
I'm not.
Oh!
What?
The brain.
You scared me. Why is there 2 seats?
Ah!
Why is there 2 seats?
Yo, this is
Yo,
creepy.
there's a freaking trail.
No. I don't like this. Yo, there's gonna be a snake in here. We're gonna be freaked out. Yo, this is too much. We're going back. That's just.
We can do it.
There's nothing here.
Ah. There's a lot of plants.
Yo, guys.
Yo, what's that? It's scared the heck out of me. Look at that.
All right, we're getting out of here. Ay, 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 ay! All right, that just led us on a path. Oh.
So we're back in this trail.
Yo, are you recording yourself?
Yeah.
All right, we're back in this trail. It's another part of a creek right here. And
so
this is where we go. We have to jump over here, yo.
No, you have to walk to the street.
Yeah, we have to walk across that.
To over there. Street.
But there's thorns, yo.
Yo, there's too many plants with spikes in them. Okay, let's go.
No, come on.
Yeah, I'll go first. Yo, be careful with it.
Yeah, be very careful.
Can you do it?
Yeah, I'm doing it.
Yeah. Shoot.
Oh, shit, man. This is as far as I'm. Don't fall.
Yo, I'm scared that my phone is gonna freaking fall. Okay, I'm gonna move it more over here. Yeah,
Here.
take my phone.
I will. Let me put my camera down.
Yeah, take my phone.
Fuck you.
I'm scared that my phone is gonna fall.
Ugh.
Okay, go back now. Start recording me. Shoot.
What?
There's some poison ivy on my shoe.
No, you
Come on,
don't.
let's go.
You.
Start recording.
Ugh.
Okay, start recording over here on my phone. Come on.
It never stopped.
What?
Recording.
Stop.
No, it never stopped.
I know. Come on.
All right. What do you want to do?
Put me on my phone. Don't stop. You can't discover my phone. My camera, okay?
He's gonna go. Now I gotta get a better position.
Shoot. Keep going.
All right, guys. We gotta go weave in here. Ay, ay, ay. We made it, yo.
That's a spikes on my head.
We made it, yo.
Not yet. So
Oh, whoa, what is all this?
no. There's
That
it
says
says
weed.
it says weed. Condom.
Condom.
Can I get
Out of here. Yo.
Yo, can I get out of here? Yo,
I think there's...
this is creepy. Let's keep going.
All right, yo. I'm like scared now.
I'm scared when I feel it. Can I get out of here? What kind of thing is that? Who writes that?
Yeah, yeah. What is this? What is this? Popcorn.
And it's burned.
Literally popcorn. All right. Here we go. We going.
Dude, let's follow the trail.
All right. You want me to jump over with yours?
Yeah.
Look. No, this is how you do it. Lewis,
What?
record it of me.
I jump.
Move out of the way. No.
Yeah,
move.
I got this. I jump.
Oh.
Let's keep
All right,
going.
guys. Take some time to look at the river, yo. Don't just keep on going.
Not that big.
Yo. It's not that creepy no more. Okay. Yo. Yo, what is that bar for?
I don't know, but I don't want to know. Let's keep going.
All right, we going back on the trail, guys. Yo. Ay, ay, ay. No. There's like quicksand over there. All right. Ah!
Yeah, I'm going down.
Yo, we're sinking. Ow! Ah,
Here, stick this up in my hand.
I want to see
What is this?
spikes.
Ah.
There's still one more.
Oh, shoot. Yeah, freaking burn. It might not be some poison ivy.
That's not poison ivy. Ah, yo, I got all scratched up. What is this? Put your flash
Yo,
on.
there's a hole in there. Literally, a thick hole in there. I'm not going in there.
No, we're not going in there.
What the frick is this?
Oh, what is that?
I don't know. And I don't want to know.
Yo, no. That's too creepy. Yo, this is way too creepy. What is this? There's a dead body in there, guys. I
Just
feel
about this freaking house. Which house?
Are you getting a call right now?
And I'm not going inside of it.
No.
There's more over here.
Alright, that's even creepier. They store dead bodies.
I'm done.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Finally got out of here.
Yeah.
This is the end. This is where it goes. It's better.
Yo, that was creepy.
My hand is red. Swallowing. So I think it was poison ivy. Poison ivy.
Look at my arm.
Okay. So make sure you hit the like button. Subscribe.
Alright, guys. Please like, share, subscribe. And see you in the next video. Give a like.
Again, but this time
Subscribe.
I'm gonna do it at night.
We're coming
So
over
make sure
again.
You subscribe.
But
and
this
hit the
time
like
we're
button.
doing at night. So make sure you subscribe so
If
you can see
subscribe,
that.
Our iPhone 7 will just appear on top of your head. Trust me, that works.
Alright, guys. Here we go. Peace.